Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Nissan Altima, updated. From the audio screen, choose Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Add New Device. On your phone, pick Nissan from available devices, confirm any PIN displayed, and allow contacts and messages access when prompted. If pairing fails, restart the phone and the car system, then try again while staying within a few feet of the car. Start by selecting Add New Device on the Vehicle Bluetooth menu and make sure your phone is nearby. When the car shows a device name, tap that same name on your phone to initiate pairing. A PIN will appear on both screens. Verify they match and accept on both devices. After pairing finishes, set the phone as a priority device if you want automatic reconnection in future drives around the same area. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that are great to pack snacks for road trips and busy commutes. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and enjoy smarter meals on the go. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, stay calm and try a few quick fixes that usually work. Restart your phone and the car system, remove any old Nissan entries from the phone Bluetooth list, and then retry pairing. Also check for software updates on your phone and car head unit, since updates often fix connection bugs. If problems persist, try pairing with another phone to isolate the issue and consult your dealer for persistent hardware concerns.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.